had this sweatshirt that was too big for me. So I basically cut away most of the back and tried to sew it together, and it was too small. So I'm going to try to fix it. Let's go overhead and audition some soft vinyl colors. All right. So yeah, the silver is way too cold. It doesn't go well. So I'm debating between gold and the leopard. I think I'm just going to do gold. I like it. I like the vibe. All right, let me cut a piece out. Let's see. I don't want it to be as big as the sections that I cut. So these are the sections that I cut. 1 and 2. So that's very wide. However, this is not stretchy material, so I'm just going to guesstimate and hope for the best. I'm cutting 6 inches. All right. Let's see what happens. It's just sewing. So I'm going to take one side, and it's not quite long enough either. So that means I'll need to piece it. So let's put these right sides together and sew. Now normally I'd want to do this with a zigzag stitch, but I don't have one here at the moment, so we're just going to see what happens. Let's go back overhead. Trim this down a smidge. You might want to top stitch that just so it can lay flat. Yep. Okay, let's go back. And now real scientifically here, I'm going to do this. And I'm just going to be up front. This could be a total fail. We'll just see. If I need to get a knit fabric, I will. I have confidence. I have faith in this, though. All right. It's still longer. I'm going to trim it at the end. All right, let's go overhead. I mean to the machine. You know what I meant. Now, yes, you do want to use a zigzag if your machine does that on this part. Mine doesn't. So we're just going to see what happens. Go back to the overhead. So now I've got this side of the sweatshirt. Now, it could be maybe I don't sew it up all the way. I don't know. Let's see. Are you thinking about this, Ramel? Oh. You're thinking about something else?
Yeah, about how much
Oh. Why? What's wrong with the camera? All right, let's see what happens here. that down. Okay. Back overhead. Oh, I really like it. I think I'm going to try it on. And see how it looks first before doing anything else. All right. Oh, it's way better than it was when I bought it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, way, way, way better. In terms of how it, oh, 100% better. It worked.
Mm-hmm.
Does that look strange? Do I look like a runway?
No, you don't. Plus, I knew you liked gold anyways.
I love gold. I only wear gold jewelry. Heck yes. Yeah, way better. Before it was like out here. It was so roomy that it was annoying. Usually I like wearing your sweatshirts at night now and then, but it was too much room. So now this is way better. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. It worked. All right. I guess there it is. I wouldn't have worn this sweatshirt ever again, and now I will. Peace, love, sewing.